Good morning, everyone. So I have a small CVS haul for you guys, but before I get into that, I want to wish Sabby Soto a happy birthday. So she is 48 years old today, 48 years young. So let's leave in the comment section below happy birthday to Sabby Soto. So happy birthday. I did get your comment, so there is your shout out. So happy birthday, girl. And if anyone else wants, birthday shout outs, just let me know in the comment section and I will shout you out for your birthday. So let's go ahead and get into the haul. So I actually had some moneymaker deals, which I'm super excited about. So let's just go ahead and get into it. Okay, so the Crest mouthwash, this is priced for $3.99 on sale. There's a $1 CVS app coupon you can send, and then I actually got a $1 mouthwash CRT. So I paid $1.99, and then I got back the $3 extra care back, making it a $1.01 moneymaker. So great deal here. So the one-a-day vitamins, thank you, Llewellyn. I had no clue about this deal. So these one-a-day vitamins, the 28, it's the Nature's Medley. So they have one for kids, and then there's a women's Nature Medley as well. So they're on sale for $4, and we got $4 off one coupons in our insert. So there's one for the adult and one for the kids. And there's a 2 off 8 CRT that printed for me this morning. So that made this guy a $2 moneymaker. So nice deal here. So the Speed Stick is on sale, 2 for $6. There is a 3 off 2 CVS app only coupon. And then I got a CRT that printed for a 2 off 2 Speed Stick CRT. So I paid $1 and then got back $2 in extra care bucks. So that made this a $1 moneymaker. And then the final deal is the Colgate Optic White. So these are $3.50. There's a $2.50 instant coupon that printed from the red machine. Everyone's gonna get that coupon. And there was a $1 off coupon that came in our Smart Source today. So that made this guy free. So everything you see here I got for free and a moneymaker. So this was a, let's see, 1, 2, 3, a $4 moneymaker week for me. Like, this is probably the best CVS haul that I have done thus far. So I actually just went in just to get the freebies this week because that's just what I was feeling like doing for CVS this week. So I wanted to go in there and take CVS's money. And then I got a 5 off 40 that printed as well. So if you guys want to see a breakdown for this in my CVS video on Wednesday, just let me know. Okay guys, so there are some great freebies to take advantage of this week here at CVS. So I hope everyone has a fantastic Sunday. Don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel. Target's already up, so I'll leave that in the description box. You guys can go and get those Target deals as well. So before my kids seriously hurt themselves, I am gonna get off of here. So I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.